Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And we are on chapter number 15, which talks about life values. So far, we have discovered that our values are the invisible compass guiding everyday choices that we make in life. When we are unclear about them, it creates confusion, it creates inner conflict, it even is painful. Tony Robbins explains that knowing both our moving towards values, that is what we desire, and moving away from the values, that is what we avoid, is the key of living with clarity, direction, and fulfillment. And this is what exactly we are going to read today as well. Mm, Today, what we are going to discuss is about the just a moment. क्या है today's topic? Sorry. We are going to read about moving towards values. इसके अंदर टोनी रॉबिन्स हमारे को बताने वाले हैं कि पॉजिटिव इमोशनल स्टेट्स जो होती हैं वो हम कंसिस्टेंटली डिजायर करते हैं, वी स्ट्राइव फॉर देम इन लाइफ. ठीक है. एंड दे एक्ट लाइक मैग्नेट ड्रॉइंग अस टूवर्ड्स एक्सपीरियंसेस, पीपल, अपॉर्चुनिटीज. अगर हमारी जैसी भी वैल्यूज है, whether they are positive or negative, these values when we live by gives us the fulfillment, the joy, whatever we are seeking, हम खुश तभी रहते हैं जब हम अपनी वैल्यूज लिव कर रहे होते हैं. Let's understand exactly what he is saying while reading. Let me share the screen so that we can read together. All right. Moving toward values. While it's absolutely true that you and I are constantly motivated to move towards pleasurable emotional states, it's also true that we value some emotions more than others. Good afternoon, Madhulika. Thank you for joining in. अभी अभी पढ़ना शुरू किया है, and we are talking about moving towards values today. While it's absolutely true that you and I are constantly motivated to move towards pleasurable emotional states, it's also true that we value some emotions more than others. For example, what are the emotional states that we value most in life? What are the emotions that you think will give you the most pleasure? Love or success? Freedom or intimacy? Adventure or security? I call these pleasurable states that we value most moving toward values because these are the emotional states we will do the most to attain. What are some of the feelings that are most important for you to experience in your life on a consistent basis? When asked this question at seminars, my audience invariably respond with the words like love, success, freedom, intimacy, security, adventure, power, passion, comfort, health. Before I read forward, what is that one word that you would like to add to this list?
I don't know, Karishma.
Huh?
Maybe,
सुनाई नहीं दिया.
maybe power.
Power. Wow. For me, it is respect. I always say that love and respect should go hand in hand. And yes, power is another powerful word. और हम क्या फील करना चाहते हैं, इट्स ऑल रिलेटेड टू दैट. नो क्वेश्चन, नो आंसर टू सच क्वेश्चंस इज राइट और रॉन्ग. इट्स जस्ट इट, राइट? It's certainly true that you probably value all of these emotions and that they are all important for you to feel. But wouldn't it be fair to say that you don't value them all equally? Obviously, there are some emotional states that you will do more to achieve than others. In truth, we all have a hierarchy of values. Each person who looks at this list will see some emotional states as being more important to them than others. The hierarchy of your values is controlling the way you make decisions in each moment. Some people value comfort over passion, or freedom over security, or intimacy over success. Good afternoon, Shruti. Thank you for joining in. Take a moment right now and discover from this list which of these emotions you value most. Simply rewrite the list in your order of importance. When I begin the when with being the emotional state you hold as most important and 10 being least important. Please take a moment now and fill in the blank in your order of importance. Let's do this right now. Madhulika, are you traveling today as well?
No, Karishma.
So, okay, switch on your camera and let's do this exercise. Shruti, where are you? Are you seated somewhere? Do you have pen and paper? Let's do this exercise together. These are the values that Tony Robbins has shared. Most of the people shared as a response to their value system. आपके इसके अंदर what is at on which number? Is it very high value or less value? ये जो सारी लिखे हुए हैं love, success, freedom, intimacy, security, adventure, power, passion, comfort, health. ठीक है? Give 1 being the emotional state you hold as most important and 10 being least important.
For each of the category, we need to range from 1 to 10.
Can you repeat yourself, please?
For each of the category, should we range from between 1 to 10 or
Yes.
rank wise, we should
Yes.
give 1 for
1 being the most important and 10 being the least important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 इसको rank करो.
No, like love tops the most means I should rank 1 or no. I give marks to love. Success
What
5.
is the so Shruti? What is the most important for you? Love, freedom, success, intimacy, security, adventure, power, passion, comfort, or health?
Okay, like that.
What is
Ranking.
it? What is it for you? Most
Love.
important. Love first. To write 1 in front of it, and which of these is the least important to you?
Comfort.
Then write 10 on that. And इसके बीच की counting आप complete करो अभी.
Okay.
Done? Great. So I know that for you, love is number 1. And what is at number 10?
Comfort.
Comfort is at number 10. Wonderful. So for me, comfort is number 1 and adventure can come 10. And let's hear it from Madhulika. Madhulika, what is your number 1 and what is your number 10? Mute पे बोल रहे हो. I know power would be number 1.
No, you guessed it incorrect. Power comes later. When comparison is with health, health is first for me.
Wow. Health, because you are a gym person. Yes.
No, even otherwise also, if you're not healthy, then you can't enjoy your life. Mentally, physically, emotionally, everything comes under that health.
And what is
So,
number 10?
10 is adventure.
For me, 10 is adventure as well. Chalo. Good. At least while doing this exercise, हमारे को पता चला होगा कि हमारे को number 1 और number 2 पे क्या difference रखना है. Now, अभी आप क्या कर सकते हो कि you had yesterday we ended the session with understanding कि हमारे को अपनी 10 values लिखनी है. अगर वो 10 values लिखी हैं तो उसको भी rate करके देखना. Where does what comes? ठीक है? All right, let's moving forward. Be
So,
more
बाकी क्या रहा करिश्मा?
बाकी बता दो. आप पूरी लिस्ट बताना चाहते हो तो व्हाट इज नंबर 1 2 3 4 5?
अच्छा, मैं पूरा अभी कर नहीं पाई हूँ. आपने नहीं किया? आपने कर लिया?
हाँ, इट वाज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी.
You
मेरे
want
को
to share?
Yeah, for me, like today, I feel like that maybe some other day if I think. No,
it's
but I think
absolutely
this
okay.
will
There is
be
no right or wrong answer, Shruti. It's absolutely fine whatever you have answered.
health is coming 6.
For me, health
Power
is very low. मेरा
6.
हेल्थ बहुत ही नीचे आता है. I don't even take care of myself, to be honest.
So what number you gave for health?
Health is on 8th.
Okay.
No, it is not what you do. It is what you should do.
No, not should do. Should नहीं है ये.
Pleasurable.
This is how you want you. That is how you are. How you are right now.
Yeah. Pleasurable states that we value most moving
हाँ, कि
to
what brings
values.
you pleasure. राइट और रॉन्ग तभी मैंने बार बार बोला देयर इज नो राइट एंड रॉन्ग. आपको क्या चाहिए जिससे आपको खुशी मिलेगी इज योर वैल्यूज नंबर 1.
See, what are some of the feelings that are most important for you to experience in your life on a constant basis? When asked this question at seminars, my audience invariably respond with these words.
ये सारी फीलिंग्स है राइट. इसमें से सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट आपको क्या फील करना है.
Right now, what I feel the most is the most important, where I am putting my energy, putting my time, is success.
And number 2.
First is success that I do. Second is I think power. Because success is only that leads to power. Then third is health. Third is love. Love or health, maybe, whatever.
अब लव और हेल्थ में से कोई एक चीज मिसिंग हो तो किस में ज्यादा दुख होगा.
Health.
तो फिर हेल्थ कम्स फर्स्ट एंड लव कम्स नेक्स्ट.
अगर आप सही नहीं हो तो कोई नहीं अच्छा लगने वाला. आपको प्यार व्यार कुछ नहीं अच्छा लगने वाला.
अगेन डोंट गो इनटू द शुड. आपको आपको खुद को कैसा अच्छा लगता है इज द क्वेश्चन.
I know if I'm not healthy, I'm not gonna. Yes, it is. आई मीन यू वो मतलब मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगेगा मुझसे कोई बहुत मीठी मीठी बातें करे या कुछ करे, जब तक अगर मेरे कहीं दर्द हो रहा है, मैं ही हेल्दी नहीं हूं, तो इट्स ऑफ नो पॉइंट फॉर मी.
हम्म.
सो देन हेल्थ, देन लव, फ्रीडम, सिक्योरिटी. कंफर्ट तो लाइफ में है, इसीलिए शायद आगे नहीं आ रहा, खिसक नहीं रहा ऊपर. क्योंकि जो चीज होती है उस पे हम बहुत ज्यादा एफर्ट और टाइम नहीं लगाते ना.
हम एफर्ट एंड टाइम नहीं लगाते, बट अगर आपसे वो छीन ली जाए तब लव काम करेगा क्या?
नहीं, देन देर इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग ना. देन इट इज डिफरेंट. अभी मेरे लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है? आई मीन आई एम वेयर आई एम पुटिंग माई एनर्जी एंड माई टाइम इज दिस.
So I did a one-on-one session with somebody
हम्म.
to find my value. पहले
हम्म.
उन्होंने कहा 10 वैल्यूज लिखो अपनी. ठीक है.
हाँ.
10 वैल्यूज लिख दी. एंड देन दैट पर्सन आस्क्ड मी व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टू यू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट नाउ फॉर मी हियर आई हैव रिटन कंफर्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. ठीक है. इट इज नंबर वन. अब उसको मेरे को कंपेयर करवाया गया, अगर कंफर्ट हो और लव हो, इन दोनों में से कोई एक चीज ले ली जाए आपसे, तो व्हाट विल यू चूज? आई सेड कंफर्ट. अगर लव और सक्सेस, कंफर्ट और सक्सेस में से कुछ ले लिया जाए, व्हाट विल यू चूज? सेड कंफर्ट. कंफर्ट और इंटीमेसी में से कुछ खींच ले तो भी कंफर्ट मेरे को ज्यादा जरूरी है. कंफर्ट और सिक्योरिटी में से कोई कुछ खींच ले तो आई विल थिंक सिक्योरिटी चाहिए कि कंफर्ट चाहिए. ऐसे कंपैरिजन करो एक एक को. कंफर्ट चाहिए कि हेल्थ चाहिए? हेल्दी हो पर अनकंफर्टेबल हो चलेगा, कि कंफर्ट ज्यादा जरूरी है हेल्थ हो ना हो?
आई थिंक इस हिसाब से सोचेंगे तो हेल्थ हमेशा टॉप पे ही रहेगी.
हर किसी का अपना अपना है. मेरे लिए कंफर्ट है.
Even I feel now comfort. Since we are working from home, we think like we need to become more comfortable in the
Yes.
work.
I would love for you to sit with this list and think of it. Tomorrow when we come in this session, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन मेरा यही होने वाला है. एट लास्ट नंबर 1 एंड नंबर 10 क्या है आपका? ठीक है. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. Be more concerned with your character than your reputation, because your character is what you really are, while your reputation is merely what others think you are. So, what did you learn by doing this ranking? If I were sitting next to you, I could probably give you some quality feedback. For example, I would know a lot about you if your number one value was freedom, followed by passion, adventure, and power. I know you are going to make a different decision than someone whose top values are security, comfort, intimacy, and health. पता है कहां पर प्रॉब्लम आती है? जहां पे मेरी नंबर वन वैल्यू हो कंफर्ट एंड नंबर टू वैल्यू हो सक्सेस. डू यू थिंक कंफर्टेबल रह के सक्सेस प्राप्त हो जाएगी? You have to get into the uncomfortable zone to become successful. That is where the conflict comes.
Hmm.
Do you think a person whose number one value is adventure makes decisions the same way as someone whose number one value is security? Do you think these people would drive the same kind of car, take the same kind of vacation, seek out the same profession? Far from it. Remember, whatever your values are, they affect the direction of your life. We have all learned through our life's experience that certain emotions give us more pleasure than others. For example, some people have learned that the way to have the most pleasurable emotion in life is to have a sense of control. So they pursue it with incredible vigor. It becomes the dominant focus of all their actions. It shapes who they will have relationship with, what they will do within those relationships, and how they will live. It also causes them, as you can imagine, to feel quite uncomfortable in any environment where they are not in charge. Just a moment. Conversely, some people link pain to the idea of control. What they want more than anything else is sense of freedom and adventure. Therefore, they make decisions completely differently. Others get the same level of pleasure through different emotions, contribution. This value causes that person to constantly ask, what can I give? How can I make a difference? This would certainly send them in a different direction than someone whose highest value was control. Once you know what your values are, you can clearly understand why you head in the direction that you do on a consistent basis. Also, by seeing the hierarchy of your values, you can see why sometimes you have difficulty making decisions or why there may be conflicts in your life. For example, if a person's number one value is freedom and number two is intimacy, these two incomparable values are so closely ranked that often this person will have challenges. How many of you are feeling कि हाँ ऐसा ही होता है? लाइफ में हमारे को मुझको कंफर्ट चाहिए और मैं चल पड़ी हूँ अपना करियर बनाने के लिए, और फिर जब मेरे को अनकंफर्टेबल होता है आई फील हाय इन अनकंफर्ट है डिस्कंफर्ट है, and after a while I will give up on these things and I will say let me be more comfortable first, or else I'll have to give up on the values of comfort. I'll have to start telling myself a different story. In fact, Tony Robbins will share how can we um arrange these values for ourselves. And normally it is said that if you marry two values in one, so for example, one of my mentors was talking to me, wherein she was my health coach, okay, and I was on a weight loss journey at that time. And at the same time, I had started off with my career as a coach. So while on a call with her, she asked me, Ki Karishma, what is your highest value right now? What is it that you're seeking to achieve? I told her कि अभी मैं हेल्थ के बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं सोच रही हूँ. All I want is to focus. All my focus is on my career. So she said, can we marry career and health together? I said, I don't know how. She said, just imagine that you have to go and make us, give a speech from a stage. How would you like yourself to be seen? Would you like yourself to be seen as a fit person? As many coaches as you have seen, how many of them are not healthy? I said very rare. I don't know any. Maybe Oprah Winfrey is one who's a little plump. बाकी मैं जितनों को जानती हूँ, पूजा पुनीत हो गई, श्रुति चौधरी हो गई, इवन प्रियंका चोपड़ा कुछ कुछ बोलती है, सुष्मिता सेन सेज समथिंग, all are fit. And she said, how about you associate your career with fitness as well? The more fitter you are, the more you will be able to, deliver things better. The more your health supports you, you will be able to give better examples. You will be able to move a lot more than you usually would. And I was like, हाँ ये बात तो ठीक है. And वो दिन गया, अभी आज मेरे को फिर से ये एग्जाम्पल याद आ रहा है कि ओ हाँ ऐसे करके I should have, kept my thoughts. I remember a man I counseled at, एक second, give me a moment. Sorry about that. I remember a man I counseled at one time who was constantly feeling this push-pull. He consistently sought autonomy, but when he achieved it, he felt alone and craved intimacy. Then, as he pursued intimacy, he became fearful he would lose his freedom, and so he had sabotaged the relationship. One particular relationship was continually on again, off again, while he cycled between these two values. After I helped him make a simple change in the hierarchy of his values, his relationship and his life was instantly changed. Shifting priorities produces power. Knowing your own values help you get more clarity as to why you do what you do and how you can live more consistently. But knowing the values of others is equally important. Might it be valuable to know the values of someone you are in relationship with and somebody you are in business with? Knowing the person's values gives you a fix on their compass and allows you to have insight into their decision making. Knowing your own hierarchy is also absolutely critical because your top values are those that are going to bring you the most happiness. Of course, what you really want to do is set it up so that you are meeting all of your values every day. If you don't, you will experience what seems like an inexplicable feeling of emptiness or unhappiness. My daughter Jolie lives an incredibly rich life in which her highest value are almost always met. She is also a wonderful actress, dancer, and singer. At the age of 16, she auditioned to perform at Disneyland, something she knew would fulfill her value of accomplishment if she succeeded. Incredibly, she beat out 700 other girls to win a part in the fabled amusement park's electric light parade. Initially, Jolie was ecstatic. We, along with her friends, were also delighted and proud of her, and we would frequently drive up on weekends to see her perform. Her schedule, however, was extremely taxing. Jolie had to perform every weeknight as well as weekends, and her school term wasn't over for the summer yet. So she had to drive from San Diego to Orange Country every evening to rush hour traffic, rehearse, and perform for several hours. Then drive back home in the wee hours of the night so she could get up again early in the next morning in time for school. As you can imagine, the daily commute and long hours soon turned the experience into a grueling ordeal, not to mention the extremely heavy costume she had to wear, which hurt her back. Even worse, however, from Jolie's perspective, was the fact that her demanding schedule cut drastically into her personal life and prevented her from spending any time with her family and her friends. I began to notice her wandering about in the series of her very unresourceful emotional states. She would cry at the drop of a hat and began to complain about things on a consistent basis. This was totally unlike Jolie. The final straw was that the whole family was preparing to go to Hawaii for our 3-week certification program, everyone except Jolie, who had to stay home in order to continue to work at Disneyland. One morning, she hit threshold and came to me in tears, undecided and confused. She felt so frustrated, so unhappy and unfulfilled, yet she had achieved what seemed like an unbelievable goal only 6 months earlier. Disneyland had become painful for her. Why? Because it became an obstacle to her ability to spend time with all those she loved most. Plus, Jolie also had felt that the time she spent at certification, where she participated as a trainer, helped her to grow more than virtually anything else in her life. Many of her friends from around the country attended this program each year, and Disneyland was beginning to feel frustrating to her because she really did not feel like she was expanding or growing there at all. She was feeling pain if she decided to come with us to certification because she didn't want to be the quitter, and pain if she continued to work at Disneyland because it would mean she would miss on to the things that seemed so important to her. We sat down together so that I could help her take a close look at what her top 4 values are in life. They turned out to be love, health and vibrancy, growth and accomplishment. By turning to her values, I knew that I could help her get the clarity she needed to make the decision that would be right for her. So I asked her, what does working at Disneyland give you? What's important about working at Disneyland? She told me that she was originally excited about it because she saw it as an opportunity to make new friends, receive recognition at her work, have fun, and experience a tremendous sense of accomplishment. At this point, though, she said she wasn't feeling very much accomplished at all because she did not feel like she was growing anymore. And she knew there were other things she could be doing that would accelerate her career more rapidly. She also said, I am burning myself into the ground. I am not healthy and I miss being with the family tremendously. Then I asked her, what would making a change in this area of your life mean? If you left Disneyland, spent time at home, and then went to Hawaii, what would that give you? She immediately brightened, smiling, and she said, well, I would get to be with you guys. I could have some time with my boyfriend. I would feel free again. I could get some rest and start exercising to get my body back in shape. I would keep my 4 grade point average in school. I could find other ways to grow and achieve. I would be happy. Her answer as to what to do with was plainly in front of her. The source of her unhappiness was also clear. Before she started working at Disneyland, she was fulfilling her top 3 values. She felt loved, she was very healthy and fit, and she felt like she was growing. Thus, she began to pursue the next value on her list, that was accomplishment. But in so doing, she had created an environment where she achieved but missed out on her top 3 values. This is such a common experience. We all need to realize that we must accomplish our highest values first. These are our utmost priority. And remember, there is always a way to accomplish all our values simultaneously, and we need to make certain we don't settle for anything less. There still was one final obstacle for Jolly's decision. She also linked pain to leaving Disneyland. One of the things she avoided most in life was quitting. I certainly had contributed to this view, since I believe nothing is ever achieved by those who give up whenever it gets tough. So she saw leaving her work at Disneyland as giving up. I assured her that making a decision to live congruently with your values is not quitting, nor is foolish consistency a virtue.
I would be the first person to ensure that she continue if I thought she was just giving up because the work was too tough. But that was not the case, and I offered her the opportunity to turn this transition into a gift for someone else. I said, Jolie, can you imagine how you'd feel if you were the first runner-up and all of a sudden the winner stepped down, and now you had a chance to be in that parade? Why don't you give that gift to someone else? because part of Jolie's definition of love is contribution. This immediately trapped her into her highest value. She stopped linking pain to quitting and now associated pleasure to her decision. This values this values lesson is one she's never forgotten. And the most exciting thing was that she found a new way to meet all her values that began to move her more precisely in the direction of her goals. She not only began to feel more fun and happiness, but shortly thereafter, she got her first job in a San Diego straight Starlight theater production.
What an example, isn't it? How many of you feel कि हम कभी-कभी actually में stuck हो जाते हैं between our values? As much as my career is on the higher value for me, so is my family. जब मैं करियर को ज्यादा टाइम देना शुरू हो जाती हूँ, I feel my family, my relationship start going down. And when I start giving more and more time to the family, the career starts going down. I need to work out some way wherein my family starts supporting me towards my career. And that is exactly what I did. When they started supporting me, it became so much easier for me to, host these sessions. Otherwise, it was impossible. My husband, who never wanted me to be a working person, is now supporting me. He's asking me every day, आज कितने बजे busy है? आज बैंक जाना है. Are you available today? And I'm like, मेरा 1 बजे सेशन है, उससे पहले जहाँ चलना है चल लो, 2-2:30 बजे के बाद जहाँ जाना है चल लो. He's like, "Okay." Does that give me the privilege, or should I be using the entire time towards my career? No. When I'm with my spouse, I should
Mm.
make sure. When I'm with my kids, I should make sure that I'm giving my 100% to them as well, so that they keep supporting me. And when I'm doing my things, give my 100% here as well. All right, let's hear it from you, Madhulika. What is it that comes to you now?
I'm just soaking in the way he transformed her decision of giving up to connect it with one of her highest power is what the magic of words is.
That is how you marry your two values. And also, जहां पर आपको पेन हो रहा है कुछ छोड़ते हुए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसके बता रहे डिज्नीलैंड को छोड़ते हुए, how he associated that pain with something that can be a pleasure to her. The power of questions, the power of words is exactly how you said, Navnika, कि हमको अपने आप को powerful questions पूछने हैं so that we are living by our values every single day. If you are sad in your life, you must understand that there are some values that you're not entertaining at all towards, because of which आप खुश नहीं हो. And if you're happy, just observe कि कितनी values आप हर रोज live कर रहे हो. They fuel motivation. आप happy, fulfilled तभी feel करते हो. Living in alignment is equal to fulfillment. And alignment with what? With your values. Right? Shruti, do you want to share something?
I'm also seeking support from family too. I only speak mostly to my mother. I avoid speaking to my father.
You stuck हो गई?
I started. Okay, stop.
No, no, no.
No. For me, the career I want to build soon. I started the reading club, but halfway when I went to my foreign, I left it. I don't know. I was just using the chat GPT to get the summary of the book pages. It gave the crystal clear thing, so I posted in the group. But I didn't do any Zoom session in my community. People are there, but I don't know. Then now I'm focusing on my niche. So book reading I'm doing on my own for my personal development. Then I'm attending the calls with Gargi, group calls. Then another productivity, he said you go for he gave the idea for the career, how to proceed with it. The title is Soul Reboot. Chat GPT is giving everything, but we need to start and proceed in full Josh. I also don't know Hindi, so I'm thinking some mindset. Hindi people, many people are joining, but my native is Tamil. Some people, few people are talking in their native language itself for their comfort. I can try. Many things are there, but I need to stick to one thing, put a calendar, start the work. For me now, love is the priority, and I want to give and receive love along with them. Energy exchange. Love comes first, family, then the as same. It was same like that Jolie. I can connect with.
Amazing. Thank you for sharing that. All right. That was, I think, a very powerful read. If you have the book, go through it once again. Sit with yourself tonight to, reflect on what are your true values. Compare करके देखो, ये हटा देंगे, ये हटा देंगे, कौन सी वाली फिर भी चाहिए. You know how Tony Robbins said, what we were reading yesterday or day before, कि टोनी रॉबिन्स was sharing कि मर जाएंगे मिट जाएंगे पर वो वैल्यू नहीं छोड़ेंगे. राइट. जब आप फैमिली की बात करते हो ना, फैमिली में भी बहुत सारे लोग भी आते हैं, एंड दैट इज द लेवल ऑफ बेटा पहले चाहिए, बेटी चाहिए, is also a value, because there is something that is getting fulfilled there as well. It is very deep, but चलो एक बेस लेवल पे एटलीस्ट हम जाने कि हमारी क्या वैल्यूज हैं, एंड स्टार्ट लिविंग बाय देम. ठीक है. Thank you so much for being in this session and sharing your insights. God bless you. Have a wonderful day and see you tonight at 10. Bye-bye.